Welcome to wonderful Queenstown. We're here on another Downer Airport infrastructure project. Now this one's really a bit special.
Bits of the project have not been delivered across Australia or New Zealand before, and this is first of its kind, and we're very excited to be here.
So EMAS has been described in the media as a bit of a creme brulee. It's a little bit more technical than that. It's very innovative. It's a massive logistical challenge. We were very excited to be the contractor to deliver the very first of this type of product into Australasia. EMAS is an engineered materials arrestor system. It's a system that slows a plane down as it comes to the end of a runway. If it's in distress and runs off the runway, the plane will come to a gradual stop in the EMAS bed.
This Queenstown EMAS project is an excellent example of us being able to deliver to a high quality standard under pressure. We're out here at night. We're using all facets of our business. There's earthworks, there's paving, there's quality assurance, there's large crews delivering complex pieces of infrastructure.
The EMAS project for Queenstown Airport, it's made extremely challenging for the environment that it exists in, and the attention to detail just multiplies what we're doing, and then the refinement of the actual operation. It's just the level of detail that it's not a conventional construction project.
There's lots of pressure, but I think that's what's exciting about a project of this scale and of this innovation as well. It hasn't been done here in New Zealand or in Australasia before, so it's a challenge that everyone's been up for. The collaboration to achieve this project has, it's been awesome.
So on this project, and to be honest, every other airside project that we do, there's an expectation that we will deliver to a very, very high standard. I think we've done that on this project. We've delivered a really fantastic product for our client, and I'm really proud of the team.